Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to make aesthetic Discohook embeds. So first, go to your server settings and then scroll down a bit and click integrations. And then click webhooks. I've already made one back in 2023. And I remember that video blew up. Kinda went viral. By the way, before we start, only 4.5% of you have subscribed to my channel. So make sure you guys have subscribed to have a better chance of getting free nitro and orbs. Alright, back to the topic, click new webhook. We will create a new one. Add the name. To be honest, any name works. And add a cool profile pic just to give that aesthetic look and vibe. Select a channel where you want your webhook to be sent. Now we will need this just in a few minutes. Go to browser and search Discohook and click this. No need to get overwhelmed, just click clear all. Everything will be erased. Now scroll down and click add embed and then click embed one. Now click body. You will see title and description. Now I won't be saying much. I'll just add my pre-made layout here. You can also add the title. Notice on the top hand side of your screen, you will find a preview of your embed. I will show you a small trick to add external custom emojis. Go to your server and type / and send a random server emoji there. Now I know a lot of people have said that emojis from other servers don't work. I guess the solution is add your favorite emojis to your server and use it here. Maybe it will work. Now you can see an emoji code has appeared. Just copy that code. Don't copy the / and paste that code into your description box. You can see in the preview box the emoji has appeared. This is how you can use server emojis. Now let's add a cool embed color. Go to color and pick any color that suits your design. Now let's add a cute divider and thumbnail. Scroll down and click images. You require a divider and thumbnail links. But first, you need decors. I'll show you how to get them. Go to my Discord server, click search. Write in, and select divider channel, and then write the theme. I will write brown. Now just copy image address. Paste it here. You see the divider appearing in the preview. I'll do the same thing for PNG. Just change the channel to PNG and then write a theme. Select your favorite PNG and repeat the same process as we did for divider. Since everything is done, just scroll up, you will find webhook URL. I'll show you how to get it. Do you remember we created a webhook at the start of the video? Just go there and click copy webhook URL and paste it in that section. The send button has activated. Just click that. You can find the embed right here. Isn't that cool? It's so aesthetic and free. If you want more layouts and decors like this, just go to my server and pick any decor you want. They are in a wide variety. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server.